Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We dive into everything from motorcycles, cars, and tech to lifestyle, reviews, and everything in between. In today's video, we've got something truly special for you. We're talking about the return of an iconic legend. Yes, you guessed it. The Yamaha RX100 is making its comeback in 2026, and we're here to explore everything about it. So, grab your helmets, sit tight, and let's rev up this engine. Yamaha RX100, a name that evokes nostalgia and adrenaline for countless riders. Launched back in 1985, the RX100 became an instant sensation. With its light frame, zippy engine, and legendary two-stroke sound, it quickly became the go-to motorcycle for anyone looking for performance, reliability, and style. But after being discontinued in the late 90s, fans were left craving for more. Fast forward to 2026, and Yamaha has just unveiled the brand new Yamaha RX100, a modern tribute to its legendary predecessor. In today's video, we're going to talk about everything you need to know about this comeback, from design updates and performance improvements to the tech upgrades that make it a true 21st century machine. Let's start with the design, because the RX100's appeal is deeply rooted in its aesthetics. If you've ever laid eyes on the original, you know it has this rugged yet sleek look that just makes you want to take it out for a spin. Now, the 2026 Yamaha RX100 keeps a lot of the original spirit intact. The first thing you'll notice is the overall compactness. It's still got that small and nimble frame, but now with modern touches that give it a more futuristic feel. The body panels are still minimalist, but they're crafted with a much higher level of precision than the original. The new RX100 features a sharp angular design with clean lines, a slightly wider fuel tank, and a more aggressive headlamp with LED lighting. Speaking of lighting, the bike now sports a full LED setup across the front and rear. This not only improves visibility, but adds a modern flair to the bike that blends seamlessly with the classic appeal. The fuel tank design has also been slightly updated, but it retains the same slim, muscular profile. It's definitely a head-turner on the road. Of course, performance is what really matters when it comes to the Yamaha RX100. The original was known for its spirited two-stroke engine, and Yamaha has made sure that the new RX100 delivers in this area as well. The 2026 model is powered by a 99cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled four-stroke engine. Yes, you heard that right, four-stroke. While the original RX100 had a two-stroke engine, the new one has been updated to comply with modern emission standards and provide a more refined riding experience. The engine still retains a punchy character, offering around 1,214 horsepower, which is plenty for a lightweight bike like this. But it's not just about raw power. Yamaha has engineered the new engine to offer smoother power delivery with improved torque. The low-end grunt that was a signature of the RX100's charm is still there, but now it's even more manageable, especially for urban riding. Whether you're zipping through traffic or cruising on the open road, the 2026 RX100 provides a thrilling yet comfortable ride. Next up, handling. One of the standout features of the original RX100 was its nimble handling. It was lightweight and agile, making it the perfect city commuter and a fun ride on twisty roads. The new RX100 has kept that same agile nature but with an upgraded suspension system. The front now features a telescopic fork, and the rear is equipped with twin shock absorbers, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. The bike's lightweight frame combined with modern suspension makes cornering a breeze, and it gives riders the confidence to push it a little harder when they need to. The wheelbase remains short, which means you can easily maneuver the bike in tight spaces. If you live in a crowded city or are someone who enjoys taking tight corners, the RX100 will feel like it was built just for you. Braking is crucial, and the 2026 RX100 doesn't disappoint. Yamaha has upgraded the braking system to match the increased performance and modern riding demands. The front features a disc brake, while the rear is still equipped with a drum brake. But the combination of these two components gives a balanced and safe braking experience. The addition of anti-lock braking system, ABS, on the front wheel ensures you can stop with confidence even in slippery conditions. Riders will appreciate the progressive feel when applying the brakes, allowing for smooth deceleration without feeling jerky or abrupt. Alright, let's talk tech. The 2026 Yamaha RX100 isn't just about the basics. It's been packed with some cool new features that enhance your riding experience. First up, the instrument cluster. Gone are the old analog dials, and in their place is a fully digital display. This new cluster shows all the necessary information like speed, fuel levels, trip meters, and even a gear position indicator. But one of the standout features is the Bluetooth connectivity. Yes, you heard it right. You can now sync your phone with the bike, and it will show notifications for calls, messages, and even navigation prompts right on the display. For the eco-conscious riders, there's also an eco mode that adjusts throttle input to improve fuel efficiency. And for those of you who love tech on the go, there's a USB charging port integrated into the handlebar area. Perfect for charging your devices when you're on the move. Now, when it comes to comfort, Yamaha hasn't skimped on ergonomics. The 2026 RX100 has been designed to be comfortable for both short and long rides. The seat is slightly wider and more padded than the original, providing better support for the rider. The handlebar has been raised just a bit, making it easier to maneuver and offering a more relaxed riding posture. The foot peg positioning has been improved as well, offering a more natural and comfortable stance. Even though it's a small bike, it doesn't feel cramped, and that's one of the reasons why it's great for both new and experienced riders. Fuel economy is always a key factor for small commuter bikes, and the 2026 Yamaha RX100 shines in this department. Thanks to the efficient 4-stroke engine, the bike is expected to deliver around 70-75 km/L, which is fantastic for those of you who like to take long rides or daily commutes. The fuel tank has a capacity of 11 liters, so you're looking at a range of around 700 kilometers on a single tank. That's great for weekend rides or for when you just want to hit the open road without worrying about refueling every hour. Now, let's get into the important part, the price. Yamaha has kept the RX100 affordable, just like the original. The 2026 model is expected to be priced between RX1.2 to RX1.5 lakh, depending on the variant. For this price, you're getting a bike that combines retro charm with modern tech and performance. It's the perfect option for anyone looking for a reliable daily commuter that also packs in a bit of fun. As for availability, the RX100 is expected to hit showrooms by mid-2026, so keep your eyes peeled if you're looking to grab one as soon as it launches. So there you have it, the 2026 Yamaha RX100, a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. It's a bike that honors its roots while embracing modern technology, making it the ultimate choice for a new generation of riders. What do you think about the new RX100? Are you excited about its comeback? Let us know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe, everyone.